channel. So today I bought something new for you all guys. That is trying two types of acrylic pouring kit. One is by Fevicryl and other is by Camlin. I got both of these from Amazon. Fevicryl one was for rupees 275 and Camlin was for rupees 212. So let's try both of these and see which is worth money. I bought some extra materials also. Now let's do unboxing. Here I have this firstly fevicryl one. This kit includes 3 pouring medium, 1 silicone gel and 3 colors, which I think is a good for the price point because you can use this kit over and over. So now let's open the other one. This kit includes 4 bottles of colors, 1 apron and 1 canvas. I loved one thing about this kit, that it comes with an apron which protects your clothes from the colors and 1 canvas. So it can be called as a kit because it includes canvas also. But in the fevicryl one there is no canvas, but there are extra materials that you can use over and over. Apron is quite big, so it's a thumbs up. And canvas is of 8 by 8 inches, which is a pretty good size. Before starting the pouring art, it is very important to cover your workspace with plastic sheet. Now here I am placing my canvas. I am using here 2 teacups to just give it a height. Now here I am pinching one side of the cup. Now here I am putting colors in the cup. This was my first time trying this pouring art, which was a bit messy, but it was quite fun. Here I would love to give you one tip, that make sure you have enough paint in your cup or your art would not be satisfying, because I already gone through it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Now here I am layering colors in the bigger cup. Now here again I have set the canvas on the cup. I'm telling again, please make sure your paint is enough in your cup, because in my second attempt also I ran out of paint. And now this is third and last attempt of this video, and I hope it turns out well. Now here again I have set up the canvas the same way. Now this time I made sure that I have enough paint in my cup. this was the best one. Like, I loved this very much. So this is how all the canvases turned out. First one and the last one is okay, but the middle one, I hated it. I don't know what happened to the last one. It turned out to be like this after drying, which was kind of not peaceful to see. So I don't know why that happened. So I just fixed it with another layer of paint. So now from these kits, I would suggest both the kits are very good to use these. If you want to try only one time, then go for Camlin one because it includes everything you need. Or you can go for fevicryl one if you want to try it more than one time. So I would suggest both the kits are worth money. Camlin kit comes in two more different varieties. One is Aqua series, another is maybe Sunrise something. So you can go for those two. And let me know in the comment down below if you love this video. And if you want a part 2, then give this video 100 likes. I'll come up with the part 2 of this video and I'll try other kits also. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tada, bye bye and take care.